Hello, good people of the internet and also bad people of the internet. What's poppin'? Welcome back to another live stream. This is the 7th episode of becoming a musician. I am so far from becoming a musician, but that doesn't matter. The thing is, the only thing that matters is the journey, and the journey is so far going great, and I think it'll go great because I feel like it. I don't know. What is going on, everybody? Please, if you are watching the stream, say hi and just show yourself. Okay, don't just lurk. All right. If you're lurking, I'm not sure if you're grinding. So, just saying. Grinding is a public, visible activity. So you gotta just show yourself. So what are we doing today? Thanks for all the hearts. Whoever's sending those hearts, thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. You have a special place in my heart because you just clicked all those emojis. Yeah, yesterday we worked on this little fella, and a real life update from me. I'm gonna go and get a better ESP tomorrow. Okay, you're just sending the flesh. What emoji is that? Anyways, so tomorrow I'm gonna go and get a better ESP if everything goes right. So we're gonna be able to properly flash and develop embedded applications, because if you watched yesterday's stream, this was painful, man. This was painful. Hi Orhun, love your work, but I don't have time to watch the live stream. Enjoy. Yeah, thanks man. Appreciate the comment. Sad boy, man. I fuck with your name heavy. I'm also a sad boy, but I'm also a grinding boy. So 07 to you, man. Thanks for just dropping by, I guess. Yeah, like tomorrow I'm gonna get a better ESP. Hopefully we're gonna see. There's like a DIY electronics place that I'm planning to go, and I'm gonna try to get the best, beefiest, freaking the most like gigantic screen ESP ever manufactured in the world. Probably not, but let's see if they even sell ESPs. And today I wanted to spend some time with the projects that I discovered in the previous streams, because two episodes ago I discovered some really nice Rust projects, and today I just want to like play around with them and just chill, you know, just vibing. Today is actually a kind of a sad day for me. Today dude, it's a bit personal. All right, I'm gonna get a bit personal, guys. I just have to. All right, this part is going personal. I'm gonna cut this out. No, not really, but yeah, I was talking with a female for some time, and today that just ended. So no longer a normal person. I'm back to being a Arch Linux user. So that happened today, and I feel good about it. I don't know, I should be sad, but I feel good because now I'm a proper Arch user. You know what is girls anyways? Like they don't even exist. I am tuning from Canada. Looking forward to some rusty sounds. All right, stay tuned for them. You know, stay tuned. You know, got you. Anyways, welcome OE. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Nice name. I can't even spell that. Anyways, what do Arch Linux users think of Alpine Linux users? We're brothers, man. We're just brothers. Brother from another mother. You know, mother being Linux. That was kind of cringe, but I mean, yeah, they kind of, yeah. I as a Arch Linux user, I like Alpine. I also do packaging for Alpine, but you know, Alpine is, I think, more minimal base system, better like I don't want to say better, but like more minimal packaging ecosystem. I kind of like that. More automation. And yeah, it has a smaller community though, for sure, but you know, it's good, man. I like Alpine. What do you think about Alpine? So guys, today I'm gonna start out with trying this project, Wire Mix. This is something that I discovered, I think, yesterday, like last night or something. And it is a simple TUI audio mixer with Pipewire. I was trying to install Jack audio server, and Jack has a couple of mixers that you can use, and I was like, okay, maybe somebody has built something with Ratatouille, and I found it. So we're gonna first of all give it a star, you know, give it a star, and just, oh shit, it had 42 stars. Now it's 43. I feel kind of bad about that, but yeah, we can always get to 69. And I'm gonna package this first and push it to the official repos, I think, because you know, like that's a good way to kind of contribute and try this out. Wire Mix, it has a AUR package. Yeah, okay, it says an AUR package. So let's actually create a package for this. First of all, I'm gonna watch the releases. Just gonna put this in my NV checker config. Oh, I forgot to commit this. Give me a second, guys. Add scooter to NV checker toml. And yeah, just gonna type in the password. I'm gonna go ahead and watch the releases here. Wire Mix. Just gonna copy this to here. It doesn't have releases, it has tags, so we're gonna just use max tag here, and then when I run this I should see it pop up here. Yeah, Wire Mix 0.4, and then I basically run my scripts. Wire Mix. I don't like Alpine because I can't even install the older versions of Node on the latest 3.21 Alpine Linux via APK. Yeah, that's very specific reason to not like it, but I definitely understand that. So yeah. Alright, where am I? I'm just gonna copy one of my package builds over here. I'm just gonna change it accordingly to this project. Just gonna go ahead and here Wire Mix. Also, I gotta go to, yeah, let me just copy things over here. What is the license file? License MIT. I'm not sure if it depends on Pipewire, but probably it is. I mean, it's just a mixer for Pipewire, so should be depending on it, or maybe it's just calling Pipewire or something. I don't know. We're gonna find out in a second. Yeah, this should be enough. Update the package version variable. I'm actually gonna clone this. I'm actually curious about the code now. Alright, let's, oh shit, so many files, kind of scary. Alright, let's build it. I mean, why can't I install arbitrary version of packages in Alpine Linux? All the versions are just deleted. Isn't that the same in Arch as well? Like, you cannot install an older version of the Linux kernel, for example, if you don't have the package downloaded already. You gotta go through the archives and find it and then install it from there. So I guess it's the same thing. And also about Node, don't you use the version manager tool called N? Like there's one thing called N, right? Parallel pipe wire. It doesn't exist, right? Yeah, it exists. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it in the make depends. libpipewire. Just build again. So what does this thing use actually? Pipewire. Oh, there's a pipewire crate in Rust. That's cool. It's just the bindings though. Is this like official? What was that anime girl? It's kind of cute, but what was it? Yeah, I think it's official. That's good. Okay, clang. There you go. Clang. Node has NVM and FNV, but I thought OS package managers are supposed to cover that work. I think that's a bit different when it comes to Node. I mean, if I remember correctly, in Arch Linux, there isn't like specific versions of it. There's just Node.js, which is the latest version always, I think. But I'm not really, I don't know, man. NPM and like Node ecosystem is kind of its own package manager, package ecosystem. So they are doing things differently. So yeah, it's just shitty. It's just the fault of them, I think. It's not a distro specific problem, I would say, because, you know, it's not like, you know, they're like Node, like just think about Python. There's like Python 2, Python 3 packages, right? There isn't like Node 1 and Node 2 and stuff like that. It's just Node.js, and then you gotta just you know, handle things yourself, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I definitely see where you're coming from about you know, thinking that distros should handle package versioning, and like, you know, this type of stuff is definitely makes sense. But I don't know, I'm not a Node packager. All these links to distro files and for museums still no arbitrary version support. Yeah, I mean, just use Nix, I guess. Just kidding. Dude, I don't know. I'm not a big on Linux, man. I'm big on Temple OS, but like Linux has its flaws, and Linux packaging is shitty, I think. There's like it's a billion implementations, but Temple OS, it's perfect, man. It's fucking perfect. You can't even install anything on that. It's just so good. It's just so good. Alright, I'm gonna actually contribute to this project. A little documentation update would be nice, I think. I appreciate their work on this. Damn, so many structs. Okay. Dependency lib pipewire. Okay, why did I put pipewire in the make depends? That was stupid, because it depends on pipewire in the runtime. Guys, I know that this is not like exactly synthesizing sounds with Rust, but stay tuned. I'm gonna get to that in a second. I just want to try this out, okay? All right. Arch Linux. Install the official package via this or the development version. Alright, so just gonna link to that, and this should be it. I'm just gonna copy this thing over here. Wire mix. All right, let me check the markdown. Just gonna tweak this a little bit. All right, let's install it. If you're at the point of thinking about RPZ package versions installation, you're not a TempleOS enjoyer, for real. Facts. Okay, just gonna do it like this. All right, it should be better now. All right, WireMix. Let's see what this is about. All right, it looks really good. Wow. So, Firefox and all right, recording. Wow, really nice UI, by the way. If you're using Pipewire, you're missing out on this, by the way. Holy shit! Look at the trackers. That's so sick, man. Input devices. So much FPS, for real. Configuration. Okay, what happens if I just... Oh my god. That's so good, wow. So slick, man. I love it. Pipewire mixer. It's good shit, good shit. Wire mix. Oh, let me check the package build once again. Alright, commit new package, wire mix. Yes, sir. How much FPS can Rust3 dump? So much, man. I mean, I've seen 600. But yeah, maybe that my calculation was just broken. But I mean, 60 for sure. I think 60 easy. Depending on what you're rendering though. But I mean, it should be super fast. Okay, I need to bash rc the package functions. Just gonna specify the repo here. All right. Add update arch instructions. Update the installation instructions for Arch Linux. All right, let me take that, close it. And I'm gonna watch the releases too. Blazingly, yeah. It's blazingly fast. Thanks for the slick TUI, it's amazing. I packaged it for Arch, by the way, so it can be installed from the official repos. This PR updates the readme MD about that. Come on, just appear here. Come on. Anyways, I'm just gonna submit this PR. We should get it any second. Alright. I really like the UI. Take a look again. So simple, so nice. Alright, WireMix. We got it packaged for Arch. Good. Alright, moving on. Audio visualizer. Yeah, let me take a look at this later. But, alright guys. The reason why this live stream is running is because I just want to check this project out. It's called Cow or Cow, I don't know. It is a, first of all, greatest logo ever. Greatest logo ever. Probably hand drawn. Look at the signature on this. It's hand drawn. Give me a second. I'm gonna change the music to more like a rat themed one. And this actually looks kind of familiar. But anyways, software defined modular synthesizer. So the idea, I think, the idea here is that you write code and this will generate some sound or something. So we're gonna give this a try, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the documentation for this. It's kind of empty, but this is kind of not. There isn't many docs here, but doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm thinking if I should approach this as a user, like, you know, user of this library, or if I should clone the repo and do something. I think I'm gonna clone the repo either way, so let's do that. Maybe I cloned it already. Oh no, okay, I didn't. So we got it now. Let me build it. It's gonna probably take like 700 crates or something. Let's see if I was right. Oh no, it's 200. Okay, that's cool. So see the examples in cow. I don't know if this is like pronounced as cow. Cow sounds like the animal cow, or maybe cav. Cav, I don't know. Come on. Call. Cow. 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 I don't know. Okay, so examples in this call and co-interactive. Let's check the examples. It is just, oh, bevy. Why do we have bevy here? Is like a UI for this. Bevy input. What is this? Update mouse position. Interesting. I can try the bevy one. It seems intriguing. Sorry, that was a bad joke. Okay, so we can probably start off with the examples, right? Let's take a look at the examples. Audio file. Okay, simple. Let's start with a simple one. So, window builder and build. So open a window that can play and visualize an audio signal. What kind of a window are we talking about here? I need to check. Is it using, what was that crate? Mini FP or something? No, it's not using. So how do you create the window here? MIDI file, MIDI live, MIDI file, dependencies. Oh my god, there are so many code related things. Modules, player, MIDI, serial. Okay, I gotta check FB. Ratatouille? No, it's probably not Ratatouille. Anyways, let's give it a try. Let's run the simple one. Features interactive. Open a window, then describe the audio signal. It's a mono voice. Note B2 mono voice. ADSR linear oscillator. Oh, what just happened? Oh man, I need to select the pipe wire device somehow, otherwise it's gonna fail. How can I select the device? Maybe I can use the wire mix thing. Input devices, no, output devices. It's I don't know, how do I even set that? Power control. Which one is the default here? That's a bit bad. Window. What is this window? I can't even jump to the definition of it for some reason. It's in the prelude though, so I can just find it from here, I guess. Window. What? Where is window? I'm confused, man. Do I just brute force it? Yeah, I just found it. Window STL to oh, okay, it's using STL. That's interesting. Are we using CPAL? Yeah, CPAL. Damn. Player. Is it like using the player in here? Player. Play mono. Play mono. FN. Play mono. Player new. So if I change the device, yeah, I just need to change the device here, basically. I'm gonna copy my code from Twitter. Oh, what did I do? Twitter. And where's my code? Yeah, there you go. Gonna change this. I don't know, I don't like doing this all the time. I should probably figure out how to set the default device globally on my system. I just want to like use Pipewire as default, but let's see. Alright, it seems like it's working. I don't hear anything though. What are we supposed to hear? It's the simple. Oh, I'm not. Do I need to press a key? Oh, wow. Okay. Shit, this is impressive. Okay, let me go to cow. This is. You guys hear it? Maybe it's a bit, it's not loud enough, maybe. I'm gonna boost the output. Okay, so oscillator. I'm gonna change this to sine just for fun. Simple. It's very fun to play around. Input mouse. Wait, what is this? Input mouse? Can I use my mouse here? What does that even mean? No. Alright, let's run the other examples. We have guitar strings. Wow, this is kind of crazy though. We choose interactive example, guitar strings. Cannot find time keyframe sig in this code. What? Keyframe sig. What is going on? Okay. Nothing like that exists in the code base. So I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. But okay, just try the other one, I guess. Electric organ SFX, melee, death, and shotgun rock. What the hell is going on? You can just define things by writing code. That's kick ass. But framesig is not fun though. Framesig T. I don't know why I'm getting these. Maybe I should just report these things because I cannot run anything. Yeah, I cannot run anything. I was really curious about the rest of the examples though. Okay, audio file playback. This takes a file probably. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Let's report these issues, guys. Let's try to contribute a little bit by just trying out things at least. So issues, unable to run cow examples. Hello, in the cow examples. Hello, the cow example. Most of the sadly do not work for me due to the following errors. Well, maybe it's because I'm passing the interactive feature or something. Maybe that's why. No, oh, I just gotta have that, otherwise it doesn't work. Alright, let's give another example. The guitar thing was also another error that we got. So let's do that. And yeah. It's a fresh clone of this repo. Alright, just create it. Okay, so we couldn't run all of them, but we can try out the interactive ones, I think. Interactive, yeah, it's in the interactive subdirectory. I don't know what's the difference between the other one and this one. Interactive keyboard and mouse control, visualization for the synthesizer framework. Okay. Examples. Oh, there are more things in here. kind of exciting. Let's go to interactive examples. Cargo run example. Do we have a simple one? Oh, drums. Holy shit. Drums. Let's try this one. Oh shit, it's working. I don't hear anything though. Do you guys hear anything? What do I need to do? Mouse. Okay, it's not doing anything. Maybe I can just compare this with the other one. Input mouse X and Y. I'm just gonna close out all these other stuff. X01, Y01. That seems like it. Get key. Okay, it's getting the key from. Oh, it's not the one. Sorry, wrong file. Filter. Well, it should work. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. It does something when I right click. Okay, let's try the drums loop. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way, dude. That's a... Holy sh... What the fuck happened? What the fuck happened there, dude? Calm down. Oh, it happened like... It works. It tracks my mouse, I think. That's cool. Okay, I now got it. Let's try the other one. Well, I don't hear anything here. But, wow, dude. Stereo oscillographics. Let's try the other one. Dude, it's just going crazy when I go to the bottom left. Bro, in the drums example, it literally says you need to press X, C, X, or Z. Where? Where does it say that? Am I blind? Oh, you mean here? Okay. Dude, okay. Maybe I didn't see it, but why are you being aggressive here, dude? Okay, now it works. Okay. I think the other one was a better visualization. The stereo, whatever. Okay, let's do that. Oh, okay, I just closed my terminal. Nobody expects the more Inquisition. What up, man? Welcome. I hope you'll be here throughout the stream, because I might need you any second. I might need you to send a Discord link any second. I'm just saying. Oh. Alright, now we gotta make this thing run in the terminal. We can probably do that because they already figured out most of the things here. So it's a matter of just drawing stuff, I think. I wish the code was like more documented though, not gonna lie. but I guess never mind. All right, drums. It works. Keyboard and mouse interactive. Dude, okay, one little criticism from my side is that this is a great framework, but it seems a bit difficult to get into, because I don't know where to start when I start using this, you know? Like, I mean, looks good, everything is looking great, but like, you know what I mean? Setting phasers to Discord link. I click my mouse to test pauses you. Not working for my hand. But like, you know, it's great, but I don't know. Like, how can I even, like, everything is done here, like, yeah, whatever. It's great though. It's very fun. Keyboard and mouse interactive. Let's try this one. God damn it. Some crazy shit, man. We're making noise music with this, guys. This is my jam. I really like the visualization on this. How did I do that? Help, I got stuck in my plasma ball. Super oscillator. So, okay, I'm gonna try to read this. It's very readable, don't get me wrong, but I'll try to read it and understand it. So, you got an envelope, first of all, and then you create an oscillator. Where do you use the envelope? And you just pass the envelope to a low pass filter or something. And based on the mouse position, it tweaks the filter. And there's another filter which does some stuff based on a key press trigger. What is that? Key press trig. Keyboard opinionated key events. Okay. And it adds some reverb, high pass, compressor, and then what is this function? It's sig. And where do you even use that? Oh yeah, here. It just gives the input to that function. Yeah, I mean, it's very straightforward actually. Kind of like that. I want to play around with the visualizations though. I want to like change the line width to, I don't know, 200. Let's do that. I'm gonna exit this. Let's break this, guys. Okay, that was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Now it's just a whole ass cube. Alright. Just one. Scale 0.1. Let's do that. Oops. It's very small now. Plasma cube, sorry, my bad. I meant a plasma cube. Not just a cube. It's a plasma cube. Oh shit, this is my jam, guys. So good. Or maybe Plasma Hypercube if you're feeling math nerdy. Harmonics, oscillographics. That sounds cool. It kind of does look like Plasma. Harmonics, oscillographics. Oh yeah, this sounds like a Cove Bell melody, so we're making funk with this one. Alright, let's run it. Oh my god, dude. Hey man, been using recently. Thank you for the great project stuff that you're streaming. Just want to say, hey, welcome Tuna Ali Kashifolu. What up, man? Thanks for dropping by. We're just making noise music at this point. Alright guys, listen. I got an idea. I got an idea. It's not a crazy idea, but we're gonna actually run both of these things and have a jam. So let's run the drums one. Okay, let's run the drums. Interactive. Let's make this shit happen. Drums loop. It's hard to control things, okay? It's just all mouse controlled, so it's very hard. Can I have just one clock and just connect these two things together? Now that's a rave I would go to. There you go. Alright guys, let's run another one. Let's oh shit, I fucked up. I actually wanna... oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna... I'm gonna... How do I set the gain on this? I wanna set the gain. Gain or something. There should be a way to do that. Just gonna change the oscilloscope frequency or some shit. Alright, let's do a filter. Gain. There's no filter like that. We really need a better docs for this project. I don't know how to set the stuff. Threshold. Oh, clamping, multi-threaded signal. So maybe if I set the threshold to, I don't know, 100. I'm just bullshitting here, but let's see. Okay, I just closed all the terminals. We gotta figure this out, guys. There should be a gain option or something. Or oscillator. Do we have an oscillator? Yeah, okay. Oscillator. LFO. Base frequency. Noise. Reverb. Dude, I'm asking for the most basic thing and I cannot do it. Oh my god. There's literally a function called drum. Note name, what is that? Anyways, yeah, let's just play around a bit more. So there is a keyboard. There's keyboard and mouse polyphonic interactive one. Let's try that one, I guess. Polyphonic interactive. Oh no, the universe will crash after this one. I don't know, it doesn't work super well. Or it does, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, anyways, I don't know what polyphonic means. Many oscillators, multi-threaded, visualized. This thing is just going crazy, man. What the hell? What are these examples? Alright. Oh shit. Oh shit. It is it is just the line. Just the line. Oh, okay, just why am I just closing my terminal each time that I'm trying to close an example? Anyways, MIDI file interact no. MIDI live interactive. Example of controlling and synthesizers live with a MIDI controller. Okay, I don't have a MIDI keyboard with me, but can I use the keyboard? Play. Yeah, I don't have a MIDI with me right now. Periodic gate. Saw. Let's do the saw interactive. That's what I'm talking about, man. What do I need to press? I guess nothing, I don't know. Sequencer, we have a sequencer too. It's not interactive. But you know what, we can just run the drums on this. It's too slow. I want to make this faster. Alright, I'll try. I'll try to do it. What are these values? Is it like frequencies or tempo? Okay, tempo, hertz. Just have I don't know, 100, man. What happened? It's too fast. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Alright. Wait, dude, can I just add drums to this? It should be possible. Drums loop, let's just add it. Let's just add it. I'm gonna just copy this and just gonna paste it here. Like, I don't know. Cannot find type. Just import whatever, it's just drum. Cannot, okay, input. And sig drum. Alright. Play stereo. Alright, so how do I play multiple things? Play stereo. Dude, if I make this thing happen, I'm gonna be so happy. Play stereo, new FN with channel. What am I supposed to return from this? Play stereo. Multi-thread. Maybe I can just copy something from here. I don't know. Can I just run this twice? Probably not. Oh, I can just do that. Okay. Okay. That's kind of what I want. So just do it twice then. Oh, stereo. You can just have two things. So you can just like do that. Or no. No, I don't know. Oh, stereo new. Okay, stereo new. It's left. Oh shit, right. Left and right. Dude, how do I even do that? Stereo pair. That's no. Signal left and signal right. Wait, this is yeah. I should think more simple, I think. So I have two functions, right? Wait, what is input? What is this thing? Stereo pair. Dude, I just want to like combine these things. How do I do that? Any ideas? Window. I don't even have the window function. Where's the window? Like co-interactive. Okay, window. That's just window. Builder. Play mono, play stereo. Okay, maybe I can find something from here. I don't know, guys. We can probably... So what am I returning from these functions? Maybe I can just merge them in a single function. In this function, input and channel. We don't need the channel. Dude. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, I need the drum loops one though. All right, I have that. And this is returning a sig, right? Sig drum. Yeah. I don't know. I have no idea how to do this. Signal left, signal right. Maybe I can just do that, but I don't want to do that. I want to like combine them. Maybe it's not that easy. It should be though. Alright, I'm gonna try it. So that's the sequencer thing. Let's sick drum, and then just copy that. Filter sick drum. I don't know. Maybe it will work. No, it's not a filter, so it doesn't make sense. And what is this? I need some examples. And also docs. We'll make it happen, guys. It's all mono. Drums are a bit different than the other stuff. How do I create the drums? They take the input and they return like a... They all return a sig-t, wrapper type or sig-t. Okay. Oh, okay, this allows arithmetic operations. So does that mean I can just like add things? So sick drums. Sick drum. Holy shit, that worked. Wait, What does that mean now? Let's try it, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen. That kind of worked. Well, it worked, but like it's still being controlled with the mouse coordinate. So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna remove this. Where's the mouse stuff? Yeah, periodic gate. Just static maybe. Let's run it again. It's a mess. I gotta somehow synchronize them. They're not synchronized, so. But you can like just add things bit plus, which is great. I'm gonna remove the reverb on this. Also, let's have a techno beat. Just kick, just kick, just kick, just kicking. We're getting there, guys. It's gonna sound good at some point. Trust me. Yeah, let's change the frequency to I don't know, 500 something. Yeah, let's just play around. I don't know. Low pass. Let's change this one. I don't know, something like that. Okay. What's going on? What? Float. FL Studio is going bankrupt at the end of the stream. Yeah, I mean, look at us. We just making music in Rust, bro. What are you talking about? Making music in Rust for real. It's just too fast. How do I okay, periodic gate defined in terms of its period in seconds with a duty cycle. So let's fix that to 0.1, maybe 0.1 here too. I don't know, maybe that's the same thing. I don't know. We just try. No, definitely not the same. Um, 1 and 100. Where's the drum? We're getting somewhere. Let's make it faster. We're getting somewhere with this, guys. I don't know where, but we're getting somewhere. Just make it 10 times faster. No, maybe 5 times faster or 4 times. We can always change these, but yeah, okay. Just make it 2. Eight. No, I'm not liking the speed of the drums, and also this this is just too low pitch. Sorry, high pitch. Let's try something else. It's not synchronizing. You need to synchronize these. I don't know why they're not synchronizing though. Are we doing anything else in here? Oh, maybe I have so many kicks, that's why. There's 4 kicks. No, it's not. Wait, how many samples do I have? Like, let's have like 4 samples and 4 kicks. Maybe that will sound better. Make the kicks hit faster. Helicopter. All right. Can I change the kick? What is this? Bitwise pattern trigs. I'm gonna add a filter on the oscillator thing. This is what I'm talking about, man. Alright, how do I add the keyboard to this now? Let's add the keyboard controls. How do I do that? So let me check the examples again. Keyboard. Input keyboard opinionated key ones. This is a bit complex. Maybe, yeah, this also. You can probably just check the simple example from the main examples. Yeah, here maybe. Mono voice, note, key down, gate. Okay, how do I use this? Okay, just change the oscillator frequency. Okay, so just copy this. Go to sequencer. We're gonna define the note. We're gonna go ahead and change the tempo sequencer. Maybe something like note frequency or something. Does this even work? Nope. Freak. Hertz. F32. It turns an F32. Oh, maybe I need to call. I don't know. Freak. Maybe something like into. Into. As F32. Maybe this will work. Just add the note. Oh, 0 and then as. We're gonna figure this out. What's the error now? Okay, wait. It takes a clock and the values are just clone. Maybe I can just note. Nope. Oh my god. Something like this, maybe? Yeah, that worked. Okay. Kind of worked. No? Oh my god, frick. It's a bit annoying. I don't know this API, so I'm just struggling with this a lot. Are you guys still here? Because I see like 0 people watching right now. Probably everyone just stopped watching because I'm just suffering with no music. So I'm gonna play you guys some music. No, okay. Ferris. Dude, what do I do? Like, I cannot get an F32 from this. It's so annoying. F32. I'm chilling with you in the background. Alright. F32. Fuck, I just want to make techno. Why is it so hard? Oh, I can just change the... Oh shit. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I can just do something like this. I don't know why I'm changing the stuff here. I can just change it right here. So... No, I cannot do that. No. Looking through terminal show and my own GitHub search filter for some interesting tweet projects, but nothing inspires me today. You can always write a tweet for this project. We definitely need that. Okay, let node frequency and F32. Can I just assign this to F32? No. No bin, what? Sequencer. Alright, what's the problem? Expected F30 found sig impulse sig2 sig-t sig-t sample and filter. So what happens if I call sample on this? Where's my... Okay, sample. No, okay, sample takes a context. Dude, what the hell is this API? Okay, tuple field 0. Pub s. So 0, this will be sig2, and then I can call into, or I don't know. Can I just F32 somehow from this, or just add some F32 to this? Value sequencer. Value sequencer. Values are just item, just clone. Dude, what is going on? Alright, I guess everything is just wrapped in like signals in this project. So note. Clone cannot be called. Okay, clone the note then. Or clone the frequency. Alright, let's take a look. Note clone. It can actually clone the note. Damn, I cannot clone the note. Dude, I just wanted to use my keyboard to play the sequencer. Why is it so hard? Oh my god. Maybe I should search in here. Nope. I need to get the note from sig note. Note. Can I just call note note? Okay, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Can I add float to whatever? Can I do that? Try into maybe. Sample. Dude, either I'm stupid or this framework is not allowing me to do that. Clone is not implemented. Alright, just have these constants then, I don't know. So how can I like control the frequency now? I can probably just do this though. Note freak hertz. There you go, that will work. Okay, that was just simple. I don't know why I was suffering with the other solution. Alright, wait. Let's run it. This is the worst music ever. This is the worst music ever, man. What the fuck was that? Maybe just multiply, I don't know. It's gonna be even worse now. Oh. Alright. Alright, it's horrible. It's horrible. Good job. I just worked on this for 30 minutes straight and this is the result. Loving it. Let's add another. All right, let's hear it again. Okay, you know what? We can maybe try something like this. Okay, it's not bad. Let's add another cool sound. I think this was cool. Let's add this one. Man, it's gonna be horrible. I'm loving it. Sick drum. You have the sick drum. Let's have some room sound. Random is not found. Okay, let's add random. Okay, room sound. Let's add the room sound. Okay. It's gonna be so great, guys. Music. This is called music. 400 hertz. Sorry, my bad. Okay, never mind. Let's remove the room sound. I don't like the room sound. What else can we add here? Maybe I should stop adding stuff. Can we like maybe have more samples or something? All right, this is the final product, guys. This is it. This is my peak. Can I change the color of the little line? Set your rhythms on dynamic right of nature. It will give you the best sound. What do you mean? You talking all poetic, but I don't know what that means. But this is a pretty promising project. I'm gonna run the bevy thing. Just curious. What? It's a lib. Live. What is this? Keyboard. Modules. Oh yeah, these are the modules. Patches. I'm now wondering what it would take to run the visualizer in the terminal. Where's the window module? It's in the interactive thing, right? Where is it? Okay, interactive. So this is using STL2 window. If we can just like use Ratatouille for this, it would be great, man. Maybe it shouldn't be that hard, to be honest. Like, it's a single module. It's just gonna change the window to terminal. I'm gonna create an issue. I'm gonna create an issue here. Support. Okay, wait. Support terminal for visualizations. Support the terminal. Visualizations. Ratatouille is a great fit for having visuals within the terminal. See the canvas widget. See the canvas widget. The idea is to implement the window struct for the terminal. Implement a struct similar to window but for the terminal. Ratatouille is a great for region, yeah. All right, guys, maybe we can just we can maybe just wipe code it. How many lines is this? It's like 600 lines. So I'm gonna just copy and paste this into ChatGPT. Give me a second. And maybe we can just maybe it will just work. I don't know. All right, I'm back. Paste it here. I have this struct for audio visualizations. An example usage is where's my sequencer? Give me a second, my headphones just died. Should be back in a second. Alright, so yeah, an example usage is this. Now re-implement that module, but with Ratatouille for having visuals in the terminal. Use the chart widget. Let's see what's gonna happen. Just curious. It's doing some things. That's it. Okay, terminal rs terminal. Can I just copy this, paste it here. Okay, I don't have Ratatouille in here. Interactive. Alright, let's see if it's actually gonna work or not, because just wipe coded the whole thing. Code wiped. Exactly. That's what we did. Okay. So what's the problem? Okay, I don't know. Data. What is going on here? Data push. Play stereo samples. Okay, we have the samples. We can actually just let mute terminal ratatouille init. And then in a thread. Why are we using a thread though? Maybe we need to, I don't know. Self render f. Self samples arc mutex. Yeah, I see what's going on. Some synchronization issue. Play signal sync stereo callback. Event handler. Why do we need that? Okay, I'm gonna wipe code this. Here is the final file. Okay, just copy that. But I'm getting this error. Did that actually work? There's the samples. And what is this doing anyways? Yeah, samples cloned, arc clone samples. Data. Okay, is this fixed? Alright, I fixed it. It's gonna deadlock. I mean, most likely gonna crash, but let's see if it's gonna work. I'm just gonna change this thing to terminal window. Is this like public? Yeah, okay, so sequencer. And I'm gonna wait, sequencer. Go to here. I'm just gonna comment these out. Input what? Input new. What's the problem? Wait, what is that? Go and check terminal. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the wrong type. Well, it doesn't really matter. Why input is just private though? What the hell, man? Window input. Okay, what is that doing? Input. How do I create an input? I need to see the source of this. Input. Where's the freaking input, bro? Input. Input new. Okay, what is that doing? Input. Oops. Yeah, I need to use cross term for this. But for now I can just try to use this. Just make it public. Just run it, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Well, it's doing something. It is definitely onto something, but it's crashing. It's hella crashing, actually, not just crashing. It's not good. I'm not handling any events, so I cannot exit this TUI. So I need to kill the process. Which process is this though? Rust. Sequencer. Okay. How can I disable the logs? But I saw some visualizations. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but there were some like dots actually. I didn't hear anything, but definitely saw some stuff. Maybe I need to properly implement this. player. It's supposed to work though. Let me try to run it again. I'm gonna pause the music. It's drawing some things. I don't hear anything though. What if I don't play anything? Just draw it. Where's the twee? Okay, it's not working. Frame duration. Just wait like 60 milliseconds. Also, I don't want to like put this in a thread. Let's remove that for now. All right, let's run it. Nothing. Is it because all the arc stuff maybe? Or maybe I need to do something with the player to tell the UI that something has changed or something. I don't know. Probably. I shouldn't have wipe coded this. I don't get anything from this now. I should just start with a fresh implementation probably. Yeah, wipe coding was not a great idea. Maybe next stream I can work on implementing this properly. So I'm gonna note something in here. Okay. PS, I'm interested in implementing this. All right. Yeah, let's take a look at this project in the next stream. But I mean, it was very fun. Wait, widgets no demo? What is that? I'm curious now, what is that? Oh, server? Need a server? Okay. Computer keyboard. All right. I think this was a very fun stream, guys. I don't know if anyone, if anyone's still watching, because I'm basically brain dead at this point, but it was really fun. Definitely gonna watch all the activity on this project. This is a crazy project, man. Shout out to Stefan for building this. I'm gonna give him a follow. Sorry, I just clicked on your... Still watching, learn a few things. Great, man. Great to hear that. He's writing OCaml these days, though. Interesting. Alright. Guys, next stream we might work on the ESP32, or I can continue on this. So yeah, depends on what I want, basically. So I'm gonna... Give me a second. Alright. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I guess thanks for watching, and thanks for hanging around. This was fun, and that framework it's absolutely amazing, man. I loved it. Like it's great. I think I'll use that in my project. So good shit. Oh man. All right, guys. I'm out. Just join Discord if you don't want to miss these streams, and if you want to hang out with us. We have the author of that framework, Co or whatever. We have that guy in the Discord as well. I invited him, and we're just hanging around, hanging out, hanging or whatever. We're just chilling there and grinding. So click the link and join Discord. If you liked what you have seen, and if you want to support my journey, consider sponsoring me on GitHub, so that I will get motivated and just keep building things. We are just remember that we are really early in this new chapter of my music life. So we're gonna build a lot of things. So yeah, just stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever YouTube shit, and I'll see you in the next one. And thanks for tuning in. O-I-E-I-E-I-O. Thanks, man. Oya oya. Love you. And also other people, Ferris, Mr. Dick, Transistoric, and yeah. I'll see you in the next one. Stay with Rust and always write PHP. Goodbye.